द मेन आइडिया हियर इज कि आपको कंटेंट डालना है, आपको ऑनलाइन खुद को मार्केट करना है. यू टॉक अबाउट द थिंग्स दैट यू हैव सॉल्व्ड एज इन योर एक्सपीरियंस इन योर life. You talk about a few problems that you have solved, and that will magically automatically help you attract similar people जो actually उसके problem के through जा रहे हैं. And since you have solved those problems yourself, it builds your authority that you can help those people too. And since you are helping other people, you can charge money for it. And imagine this is such a win-win situation. You do what you like and you're making a lot of money because of it, and you're actually helping people. You're contributing to the society as a whole, as a person. And if you combine all of that, turns out to be such a fulfilling life.
Right. And I think एक और चीज़ है कि हमें या लोगों को लगता है कि हम पैसे लेंगे तो it will be salesy, right? And वो थोड़ी negative connotation आ जाती है कि business build करेंगे, दूसरों से पैसे मांगने पड़ेंगे. But it's more about कि आप वो पैसे ले रहे हो so that they can be accountable.
Yep.
Because we have seen what happens with free sessions या सब कुछ.
People are not accountable. In fact, people don't even get the results that they're looking for.
Yeah.
So if you charge money, and in fact if you charge a lot of money, people stay accountable to that goal. And there are clear examples. Most people go to university, they do not like the courses, and since उन्होंने इतने पैसे पे किए होते हैं, they still do the course, and in fact they still study for the exams that they think that they know are useless anyway. And उन्हें लगता है कि हम ये करेंगे just cause they have paid money. And लोगों को अंदर से पता होता है इस चीज का कोई फायदा नहीं है, ये एग्जाम्स फालतू हैं, इनका कुछ फायदा नहीं है, but since पैसे दिए हैं, since there is something on the other side that you're hoping for, you still go through the damn journey.
And imagine अगर आप वो चीज उसमें इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो जो आपको एक्चुअली करनी है.
Imagine going through the same journey, but there is something actually at the other end. It's a journey that you want to go through.
I think you would have experienced it because now we are investing in ourselves. कि हमारे को अब ऐसा नहीं लगता ना कि ये हमने पैसे दिए हैं $150. Oh my God, इसका ये आ जाता. I'm like happy. ठीक है. Like recently I've enrolled in a story course कि मेरे को इस चीज से एक और skill मिलेगा. I'm so happy about it, and I'm not about that I'm losing money. So I think ये mind shift भी important है.
All the money that I've put into myself, I have gotten exponential return in everything. And cool thing about investing in yourself is कि it cannot be taken away. अब ये टेबल है, ये कपड़े हैं, ये जो जितने भी तुम्हारे बैंक अकाउंट में पैसे हैं, ये जा सकते हैं, पर जो स्किल है वो नहीं जा सकता. So इनके even if you lose all that money, you can make that money back. Your skills are inflation proof. सब्जियां महंगी हो रही हैं, सब कुछ महंगा हो रहा है, तुम्हारा skill.
You can charge more money with inflation.
In fact, you can even charge more money with inflation. So it is inflation proof, and it always pays back. There is no course. In fact, most courses have money back guarantees. If you do not like something, you can get your money back. And in fact, if you go through the course, if you like the course, I guarantee you will make more money back. Like I remember my example. मैंने course लिया था consulting का, and that was $2,000. And then 2 weeks from that, I made $10,000 over the weekend.
5x.
That's the money that I would make, and even more for the rest of my life. Like think about it. The 2,000 investment was one time. The return is recurring for the rest of my life. That's mind-boggling. So ये चीज अब हम इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं बानी. सो ये चीज बानी हम इमिग्रेंट निंजा के थ्रू कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं?
सो वी आर गोइंग टू बिल्ड अ कम्युनिटी जिसमें हम वो चीज़ें सिखाएंगे जो रेलेवेंट हैं. इट्स नॉट जस्ट जॉब इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप, बिकॉज हमने भी जॉब किया. वी आर नॉट सेइंग कि आप सब कुछ छोड़ दो.
No, by no way this is us shitting on jobs. Jobs might be somewhat necessary in the beginning, because जब तुम कॉलेज से निकलते हो तुम्हें कुछ नहीं आता करना, तुम्हें ईमेल भी भेजनी नहीं आती. Like think about it. पर वो सारी चीजें जॉब तुम्हें सिखाता है. But the problem here is people who stay stuck in those cycles. Get into a job, you learn as much as you can, and you get out after 2 or 3 years, or by the time that you finish learning what you wanted to learn. That is the function of the job. And yes, the job will get you a PR if you have come here. So yes, job is important, but for the initial part, you're not sitting on jobs, and in fact, job would help people
you build skills, and you also get money.
Yeah. So imagine the example of a university where you pay money and you don't get much in return, but in a job you get a lot in return, but you also get a lot of money. So Immigrant Ninja में we will also help people get jobs.
Right. So it's basically our journey जो हमने किया हुआ है. So first coming here, then jobs, and then once you have that figured out, you move on to the next level of like location freedom कि आप अपना business start कर सको. And it can be even when जब वो student है, it doesn't have to keep वो level cross कर लें.
So it is about escaping the rat race. The same steps that we have taken and many other people have taken, and we have helped other people take. Escape that race, break through the vicious cycles, and live the life that you actually dreamt of and that you actually think is fulfilling and is meaningful. So you live that life, you love your life, you make a lot of money, you add to the society, and you live a fulfilling life instead of just going through the motions in life and realizing at 60 you could have done something.